Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'll show you a bonus tip. It's going to be a quick video. Now, in case you're having trouble finding the difference between the new elements here and your CAD elements, what you can do is you can switch to hidden line. And what you can also do is you can switch to course, select the wall, click on edit type, and we have something called the course scale fill pattern. So in this option here on the right, we have this box. So click on that box and select solid fill. You can leave it at black or you can change the color. Let's click on apply and click on OK. And you can notice as soon as I click on OK, that the color changes to black for these walls. Now this is only in your coarse detail view. When I change this to medium, you can see that the color goes away and now it's just our wall. Similarly in fine as well. So that is a quick tip for you guys in case you're not able to see your new stuff, what you made in Revit, and in case you're not able to see the difference between your CAD lines and your Revit lines. So this really helps.